In this video we are going to continue our solution for paper number October November 2017 P221 and question number 3. After question number 3 we have done, and we are going to start question number 4. Adam has a bag containing 9 balls numbered 1 to 9. Adam takes a ball at random from the bag and replaces it. Find the probability that all balls has an odd number. Now write down the sample space first of all. Write down all the possible outcomes, and the outcomes are from 1 till 9 because we have 9 balls in the bag. Now we have to find the probability of having an odd number, and you can see from your sample space that we have 5 odd numbers out of 9. So the probability of having an odd number, a ball having an odd number, will be 5 because they are 5 in number divided by 9. In part B, this says Adam takes a ball from the 9 balls in the bag, notes the number and replaces it. He then takes a second ball from the bag, notes the number and replaces it. Work out the probability that both numbers are odd numbers. Now they have asked us to find the probability that both numbers are odd, and the case is of replacement. So we are not going to change the probability for the second draw. The total number of outcomes will be unaffected because we are replacing the ball back in the bag. Now we can't draw all the diagrams, so we are going to find our answer using a single diagram here. Now these are the possible outcomes for the first draw: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a first draw from the bag. Now when you make the second draw after drawing the first ball, suppose the first ball is 1, because we are replacing the ball back in the bag, the second ball may be 1 or it may be 2, maybe 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the cases with the condition that the first ball is having a number 1. So if you observe from this diagram how many balls are having odd number in the first case and in the second case, both the balls, that is 1 1. This is case number 1, mean we have one outcome from here. This is even number, so this will not be considered. 1 and 3, this is the second outcome that we want both numbers to be odd. This will be rejected because second number is even. This will be considered. So third outcome, this will be rejected because second number is even. This will be considered. First number is 1, second number is 7. This will be rejected and this will be considered. So in one of the diagrams we have how many outcomes that are that what we want, that both numbers are odd. So basically there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 outcomes in one diagram in which first number is odd. So we have 5 outcomes in which both numbers are odd in this case. So basically in this case our first number was an odd number, and if you will count, you have 5 odd numbers in the outcomes when you will draw the first ball. So when one diagram having first number as odd has 5 favorable outcomes in which second number is also odd, if one diagram, if this one has 5 outcomes, then this 3 also has 5 outcomes in which the second number will also be odd. Here we have also 5 possible outcomes in which second number will also be odd. So basically we have 25 outcomes in which first number is odd and second number is also odd. However, our total outcomes are 81 because 9 from this diagram number 1, and total diagrams are 9 in number, so 9 into total 9 diagrams, that is 81. In part 2 they have asked us that work out the probability that one number is odd and the other is even. So when one number is odd and the other number is even, so starting from here, first of all we will count the case when first number is odd. When first number is odd and second is even, so we have one outcome, two outcomes, three outcomes and four outcomes for the case when first number is odd. Four outcomes when first number is odd, the second number is even. We have 5 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if one diagram having first number as an odd number, if this diagram has 4 outcomes when second number is even, then for 5 diagrams having first number as odd number, we will be having 20 outcomes, 4 outcomes from one diagram, then from 5 diagrams in which first number is odd, we will be having 20 outcomes, 5 from 4 from 1, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 from 1, so 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 outcomes from the case when first number is odd, plus how many outcomes will be there when first number is even and second is odd. This is first outcome, first number is even, second is odd. This is second outcome, this is third outcome, this is fourth outcome, this is fifth outcome. So a diagram in which first number is even, we have 5 outcomes with second number odd, and even number diagrams are total 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. One diagram has 5 outcomes, then 4 diagrams will be having 5 into 4, 20 outcomes. However, total outcomes are 81, 9 from each diagram, so your answer will be 40 over 81. The part C is Adam now takes 2 balls from the 9 balls in the bag. Now this is the case of without replacement, which means the second ball will be drawn and its probability will now depend on the first one because this is a case of without replacement. So we work out the probability that the two numbers are either both odd numbers or both even numbers. So when the case is without replacement, then this outcome will not be possible, because when you have taken out ball number 1 and you have not replaced it back in the bag, then second ball can never be 1. So there is a crossover here for this case. Now the probability of having both numbers odd are 1, 3, one outcome, 1, 5, both numbers odd, second outcome, 1, 7, third outcome, 1, 9. 4 outcomes from 9 in this diagram when both numbers are odd. We have 4 outcomes for both odd numbers. Here for first odd number and for second number to be odd, you will have the same 4 outcomes as in this case, like 3, 1, 3, 3 will not be possible, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 9. So 4 outcomes again from here. Similarly 4 outcomes from here when first number is 5, 4 outcomes here when first number is 7, and 4 outcomes from here. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 20. So 20 outcomes are those outcomes in which both numbers are odd, whereas both numbers are even. We have first number even, second number even, one outcome. First number even, no, this is not possible because 4 is drawn over here and it is not replaced back in the back, so second number cannot be 4. So one outcome is this one, second outcome is this one with 6 on the second draw, third outcome is this one with 8 on the second draw. So when both numbers are even, we have 3 outcomes from one diagram. And how many diagrams are with even numbers? The first number is even. How many diagrams are there? We have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 4 diagrams in which first number is even, and from one diagram the second number to be even, we have 3 cases. From one diagram we have 3 cases, and from 4 diagrams we have 12 cases. So both numbers even, we have 12 cases, both numbers odd, we have 20 cases. What about total number of outcomes? The total number of outcomes are no, not 81, because we are skipping this one, 1 because second number cannot be the same one. So from each diagram one outcome will be eliminated. The same outcome mean 1 eliminated. Similarly 2 eliminated, 3 eliminated, 4 and 4 eliminated. So we are going to eliminate 9 outcomes because second number cannot be the same in this case. So the rest of the outcomes are 72. So 32 over 72, 4 times 32, 8 9 times 72. This is your answer for this part. So because of the length of the question, I am going to upload the next part of the video after this part in the next lesson. Thank you so much.